Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Coding with Vishwa. If you are looking to master C program from scratch, you are in the right place. In our previous video, we have discussed introduction to C program, fundamentals of C program, and instructions and operators in C. In today's video, we are exploring essential concept in C program, which is conditional statement in C program. If you are enjoying this series, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss any update. Let's dive into today's topic and start coding. Now let us start with conditional statements in C. It allows us to make decision in program based on the certain condition. These are used to execute a certain part of the code depending on whether a condition is true or false. It helps the program to make decision based on the certain criteria. Now let us understand how the if statement works, its syntax, and how it helps to control the flow of a program. In C program, there are several varieties of the if statement that help us to control the flow of execution based on different conditions. The different types of if conditions are simple if statement, if else statement, if else ladder, and last we have nested if else. First we have simple if statement. Simple if statement is a simplest form of if statement which contain only one condition. Now let us see the syntax of simple if statement, where if and one condition, when this condition becomes true, the code will be get executed. Now let us understand this with one example. Now let us see one simple program on if statement where we will check the number is positive or negative. First we need to declare one variable int num which is equal to 10. Next we will add one if statement if num is greater than 0. Next we will have printf statement, printf num is positive, and let us try to execute it. After executing, we got num is positive as an output. If we want to check the number is negative, then we will declare num as minus 10 and we will change the sign to less than and change this sign also. And now let us try to execute it. After executing, we got num is negative as an output. Next we have if else statement. It allows you to specify the alternative block of code executable when the condition becomes false. Now let us see the syntax of if else statement, where if and one condition is given. If this condition becomes true, then this code will be get executed. When this condition becomes false, this code will be executed. Now let us try this with one example. Let us consider the same example where we will check the number is positive or negative. So we will declare one variable int num which is equal to 10 and we will add if statement if num is greater than 0. Then we will have printf statement, printf percentage d is positive comma num, and next we have else printf percentage d is negative num. If this condition becomes true, then this printf will be get executed. If the condition becomes false, then this printf will be get executed. Now let us try to execute it. After executing, we got 10 is a positive as an output. Because 10 is greater than 0, so this printf will be get executed. In the place of percentage d, we will got num as an output. Now let us try with a negative number and let us try to execute it again. After executing, we got minus 10 is a negative number as an output. Because minus 10 is not greater than 0, then if this condition becomes false and the else block will be executed, so this printf will be get executed and we got minus 10 as an output. Next we have if else ladder. It is an extended form of if else statement where multiple conditions are checked in the sequence. Now let us see the syntax of it. If condition 1 becomes true, this set of code will be executed. If this condition becomes false, then condition 2 will be checked by the compiler. If condition 2 becomes true, then this part of the code will be executed. If condition 2 also becomes false, then condition 3 will be executed. If condition 3 becomes true, then this part of the code will be executed. If all the three conditions are false, then else part will be executed. Now let us understand this with one example. Now let us see one program where we will decide a grade of a student based on the marks, for which we need to declare one variable marks int marks, which is equal to 80. Now let us give an if condition. If marks greater than 90 and marks less than or equal to 100, then we will give printf a grade. Next we have another condition, else if, and let us change this to 80 and less than or equal to 90. Then we will have another printf statement, printf b grade. Next we have another condition, else if marks is greater than 70 or less than or equal to 80, then we will have another printf statement, printf c grade. Then we will have another else condition, else printf d grade. Now in this program, first we declare a marks which is equal to 80. Then we have a if condition. If marks is greater than 90 and less than or equal to 100, means if the marks lies between 100 and 90, then a grade will be get printed. Then if the marks is between 80 and 90, then b grade will be get printed. And next we have if the marks is greater than 70 and less than 80, then c grade will be get printed. If these three condition becomes false, then d grade will be get printed. Now let us try to execute it. After executing, we got c grade as an output because our marks is equal to 80, where the third condition becomes true and the c grade will be get printed. Now let us try with another marks where we will add 95 and let us try to execute it. After executing, we got a grade as an output because the marks lies between 90 and 100. If you change the marks to 35 and execute it, after executing we got d grade as an output. At last we have nested if statement. In this form, one if statement is placed inside the another if statement. It allows for more complex decision making. Now let us see syntax of nested if statement. If condition 1 and inside if condition 2 and executable code. If condition 1 and condition 2 becomes true, then this code will be get executed. If any one of these condition becomes false, then the code will be not get executed. Now let us understand with one example. Now let us consider one program where we will check two numbers are greater than or equal to 0. Now let us declare two variables, int a which is equal to 10 comma b which is equal to 5. Now let us add if condition. If a is greater than 0, and another if statement if b is greater than 0. Next we have printf statement, printf both are positive. Now let us try to execute it. After executing, we got both are positive as an output. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. In the next video, we will see a switch statement in C. If you want notes of this complete video, it is provided in our Telegram channel, whose link is provided in the description. You can check it out. And if you not watched the previous videos, those links are also provided in the description. Please kindly check it out. Thanks for watching.